Friends, I'm Umesh. I'm sharing this demo with you on introduction to the sheet metal module of SolidWorks. Hope you guys find it useful. So let's begin. So to start with, first right click and then select the sheet metal. So you can see there are different type of tools which are used in the sheet metal. We will go through it one by one. First we will use the base flange feature. Okay, so to use the base flange feature, first we have to make one drawing and then we will apply the base flange command. So first select any plane, say front plane, put it in a normal way, then draw the sketch like this, then give it dimension. So the distance is 7 inches and the length of this line say 25 inches. Press OK. Now use the base flange command from here. You can increase the depth of this base flange from here like this. Say we want the depth 15 inches in direction 1. If you also want the depth in direction 2, then click the direction 2 and put the depth say 20 inches in direction 2. Okay, we can also increase the thickness of the sheet metal from here like this. We will use the default thickness 0.029 inches. From here we can also change the band radius like this. We will also take it at 0.029 inches. There are different type of bend allowances which we can apply on the sheet metal in the SolidWorks. So bend table method, bend allowance method, bend reduction method and bend calculation method. We will use the K factor method in this case. Press OK. Now if you want to make one profile flange here, then we have to use the miter flange option. So in this case we will make one sketch on this face and then we will apply the miter flange option. So first click this face, put it in a normal way, then draw the sketch, select the line and draw like this and give the dimension so 6 inches. Distance between these two at say 1 inch. Angle between this line and this line say 135 degree. Press OK. Then go to the sheet metal and click the miter flange option. Okay, now from here you can change the radius of this band like this. There are 3 type of flange position available in the SolidWorks. Here the flange is completely outside of this edge we can put the material outside of this flange by clicking the material outside. So only the flange material will go to the outside, but the parcel band will be inside of this edge, and material inside means whole material will go inside to this edge. So we will apply the band outside feature and then press OK. Now think we want the same profile on this edge. So for that, just go to the metal flange, edit feature, and just click this edge on which we want the same profile, and then press OK. So the same profile has been created on this edge. Now say we want some flat flange on this edge. So for that, go to the edge flange feature, click this edge and just drag it. Say we want this flange up to this point, so click this point, so it will be extended up to this point, and then click OK. Now if we want to change the flange position, say we want to extend this flange up to only this midpoint. So for that, go to the edge flange, edit feature, edit flange profile, and then just drag it up to this point and click finish. Okay, so the flange will be extended up to only this point. Now you can see from here this edge is overlapping on this edge. So you can see from here, so to cut the overlap, just go through the edge flange feature, edit feature, then click the trim side bands and then press OK. So you can see the overlap has been deleted. Now from here you can see the corners are open. So to close the corners, we have two type of methods. One, we can use the close corner, and the second we will use the welded corner. So first we will use the close corner method. So click the close corner, then it is asking the face which you want to extend to close the corner. So we will extend this face, and here we can adjust the distance between the gap between the two faces. So we will take the tiny gap as 0.001 inches and then press OK. So you can see from here the corner has been completely closed, but there is a little tiny gap here. So to close the corner completely, we can use the another method of welded corner. Okay, so just click the welded corner. From here you can see the corner is opened again like this. Okay, so just click the side face which you want to close, say this, and we can also change the radius of the weld. from here, then just click OK. So you can see the weld has been created and the gap is completely closed. Okay, now if you want to create some cut on this face, then just click the face on which you want to put the cut and just draw any profile, say rectangle, and then go to the sheet metal option, extruded cut, and then link to thickness, so it will create the cut up to the thickness of sheet metal. Just link to thickness, press OK. Now we will see how to use the band relief in the sheet metal. So for that, first create the edge flange on this edge, and we will take the length of the flange, say 1 inches. You can change it from here, click OK, again OK. Okay, now go to the edge flange, edit feature, then go to the custom relief type. Okay, just click it, so it will show you the different type of relief which we can include in the sheet metal. Say we want off-round relief, so click off-round, and then instead of using the relief ratio, we will assign the width and the depth to the relief. Say we want the width 0.04 inches and we also want the depth, say 0.04 inches. Okay, so it has created the off-round relief of width 0.04 inches and depth 0.04 inches. We can also change the profile of the custom relief. Say we want the rectangle profile, so just click the rectangle. So the rectangle profile has been created, and just press OK. Okay, so the rectangle relief has been created here. Now think we want to bend this face from the midpoint. So for that we will use the sketch band. So first select this face, put it in a normal way, then go to the sketch and draw the line at the midpoint of this face, and then go to the sheet metal, sketch band, then it is asking the fixed face. So the bottom face is assigned as a fixed face, then say we want the band at 45 degrees, so just select the 45 degree here. We will use the default radius of band and then just press OK. So the band has been created at 45 degree. Now if you want to put the regular cut on this face, so for that first we have to unfold the band, then we have to create one profile on this face, and then we have to again fold it. So first we will unfold it, so fixed face, say this is a fixed face, and bands to unfold, so this is a band which we want to unfold. Click OK. Now draw one regular profile on this face, so go to the sketch then draw one rectangle like this. Okay, then go to the sheet metal, extruded cut, and go to the link to thickness, click it and then press OK. So the cut has been created, as you can see. Now again we have to fold it, so go to the fold and then bench to fold, collect all bands which we unfold and then click OK. So it has been unfolded again, so folded again. Now if we want to put the curl on this edge, so go to the hem option, then click the edge on which you want to put the curl, say this edge, and then just flip it like this. Here also we can put the material inside by this option, so material inside, so it will create the material inside of this edge. Okay, then we have 4 types of hem available in this SolidWorks, say closed flange, open flange, then teardrop hem and rolled hem. Okay, so we'll use the open hem. We can change the distance between the sheet metal and the hem from here. We can also change the length of hem from here. Press OK. Now we know the sharp corners are very undesirable in this sheet metal, so to remove the sharp corners, there is one feature in SolidWorks, say break corner. Just select the break corner and click the corners which you want to break, this. We can also change the length of the corners from here like this. Say we want the length of corner 0.4 inches and then press OK. Now we will see how to use the form tool in the sheet metal and how to make form tool. So there are different type of form tools which are available in the design library. So to get the access to it, click the design library and under the forming tools you can see there are different type of forming tools, say lines, embosses, then extruded flanges, lances, louvers and ribs. So to use any form tool, first click the form tool, just drag it and drop it on the face on which you want to apply the form tool. We can also flip the tool by just clicking the flip tool. Okay, we can also put it at any angle, say we want to put it at 90 degree, so it will be rotated through 90 degree. We can also put it at particular position by going through the smart dimension. See the distance between this form tool and this as say 2 inches, and the distance between this form tool and the edge say 3 inches. Press OK. Press OK again. So basically the form tool is used to create some negative indentation or say the negative cut in the sheet metal. So if you want to pattern any particular form tool, then just click the form tool and go to the features, then linear pattern, and then it is asking for the direction in which you want to do the pattern. So select this direction, then the distance between the pattern, so we will select say 2 inches, and the number of patterns, so think we want 4 patterns, so click 4. Then we can also put the pattern in second direction, so we will select this as second direction to pattern, and the number of patterns is 3. Just accept it. So it will create the pattern for the louvers like this. Now we can also make the form tool inside the SolidWorks. Basically the form tool is one part, so we will make one part, then we will assign this part as a form tool, and then we will apply on this particular sheet metal. So first select the new part and just convert our system into IPS. Then take any plane. We are not just now creating one part, say one form tool. We'll just take one rectangle of size 1.5 inches by 2 inches, then extrude it up to 0.1 inches, press OK. Now say we want to put circle on this edge, this face, so just click the circle like this, and this radius of the circle is 0.1 inches from here. Then give the dimension, see this distance between the center of circle and this as say 0.2 inches, then this distance is also say 0.2 inches, press OK. Now if you want to pattern this circle, then draw center lines and then draw the pattern. Draw another center line like this, then go to the sketch, mirror entities. We want this circle mirror about this center line, press OK. Do the same thing again, these two circles mirror about this, press OK. Now extrude it, so the feature extrude board and extrude it up to 0.1 inches, press OK. Now draw the another rectangle, like this, and again extrude it up to say 0.2 inches, press OK. Now you can see our form tool is ready, but sharp edges are very undesired, so we will remove the sharp edges by giving it the fillet feature. So click the fillet, and the radius of fillet say 0.03 inches. Just click the faces on which you want to apply the fillet. So this face, this face, this face, and this face. Press OK. Now our form tool is ready, so we will assign it the form tool properties. So go to the sheet metal, click the forming tool, then stopping face. So it is asking the face which will stop against the sheet metal, so click this face as a stopping face. Then faces to remove means the faces which are removed from the sheet metal, so click these 4 faces, then press OK. Now save it as a form tool in the design library of sheet metal SolidWorks. So save as, then form tool, and name it as a form tool. Go to the forming tool from here and just save it. OK. Now apply it here. So go to the design library and go to the forming tool. So you can see the form tool which we have created is available here. So just drag it and drop it somewhere here. OK, and then press OK. Then go to the windows, tile vertically. So you can see from here that there are 4 holes because we give these 4 faces as the faces to remove. OK, and this is the stopping face which will stop against the sheet metal. So it has been created exactly the negative replica of this form tool. Okay. Now if you want to flatten the whole sheet metal, then go to the flatten feature from here. So the whole sheet metal will be flattened, as you can see from here. Now you can see there are corners, so to cut the corners we have to go to the corner and corner trim from here. Then select the corners which you want to trim. You select this corner, this corner. Okay, we have 3 options: circular relief, then bandwidth relief, and square relief. Okay, you can also change the dimension of the relief from here. So you want the dimension of 0.25 inches. Okay, press OK. Now if you want to convert this sheet metal part into sheet metal drawing, then go to the file, save as, and then select the drawing and save it at a desktop. Then just click save. Just yes, and it is asking that the entities which you want to export. So click the hidden edges, band lines, and any entities which you want to export, and press OK. So it will show you the preview which will be exported to the desktop. It will show you in the sketch form. So it is the preview for this drawing which will be saved at a desktop. Just save it. Okay, so I am done with the introduction of sheet metal. If you have any question, you can mail me at my email ID ugajjar@hawk.iit.edu. Thanks for listening.